This is our new apartment in Spain.
So yes, we have bought our first home in Spain, and it's very, very exciting, and I'm here to give you an empty house tour so that you can see the space before we get to renovating. So we are in Sitges, just outside of Barcelona. We have been living here for not quite 3 years in rentals. And if you've been following me for a long time, you'll probably be thinking, you're moving again? Because with the pandemic and everything and things being so up in the air, we actually have probably had 4 apartments in Sitges. But when we decided to stay long term, we decided to buy. And so this is the first property that we have purchased here. And we're very, very excited. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-level apartment in the historic center of Sitges. For privacy reasons, I'm not going to be showing you the front of the building, but I'm going to give you a really great tour of inside. So we are really, really excited to make this property our home. We will be living there, and we're really looking forward to tweaking it a fair amount to really suit us. And it's actually in a historical building in one of the oldest parts of the town, but was renovated in 2009, and I think they did a really good job. And so even though this apartment doesn't have great views or outdoor space like the apartment we're in now, we are really, really close to the sea, closer than we are right now. We're close to grocery stores and the train station and, coffee shops and restaurants, all the things that you want when you're living car-free in a historic town in Europe, and in this case, in Spain. So I'm going to take you for a little walk around the property, and just to let you know, if you are interested in seeing what we do with this property, please do subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I'm going to be taking you through every step of the way, showing you our kitchen renovation, showing you our bathrooms renovation, as well as the floors, and I hope that you follow along. Okay, so here we are at the entrance to the apartment. You can see that right now it's really light and beautiful, and this front wall of the apartment is sort of what drew us to the apartment to begin with. That's the original stone from the building, and if you look at the top there, you can kind of see an arch shape because that was the original arch of the front door. I don't know exactly how old the building is yet. I'm hoping to find out soon, but I think it's quite old. Now this is moving into the kitchen area, and the tape on the floor delineates where we're hoping to put a peninsula. Clearly it's a big open space but needs some definition. The kitchen part on the right will be completely ripped out and replaced. And then this is the other side of the kitchen, and there will be a pantry and a sideboard for a little more storage because this apartment is missing storage. This is the lavadero, which is the laundry room. So there's a hookup there for a washer-dryer combo. And I want to minimize what's in here as much as possible to let more of that light in, but we shall see. Again, I'm hoping to rip this out and have someone purchase it because it's perfectly fine. It's just a little old and not our style. And then we go off the kitchen into the bedroom wing. So straight ahead here is the first bedroom, which we will be using as the master. It's not huge, but it's perfectly fine for us. It has lots of light. Again, on this wall here, we're going to again put in some storage, hopefully get some closets built so that we have a place to put our things. And then coming up here on the left is the bathroom, which will be the guest bathroom, as well as our bathroom. This bathroom is also going to be gut and redone. The shower is very old, the tile, there's a lot of water damage, and so we're going to be starting over in that space as well. And I think it's going to be lots of fun and look really pretty. The laminate floors on this level are not in very good shape, so we are planning to rip them out and replace them with a mixture of hardwood and tile. Underneath the stairs here is where my daughter's bed will be. She's going to have a big built-in, and also on the other side is where there'll be a couch and a hangout space for teenagers. Straight ahead there is where my sewing space will be, so I'll have things set up to sew. I have the whole wall, so again, more storage and plants. This back bedroom is for another child, and it has, again, high ceilings, lots of light coming in. The interior patio is off of this room, and again, it does need some work, but it's some nice outdoor space, and I think that we can make it really tropical and fun. As we head back this way on the right is the other bathroom. This is a very large bathroom.
We are going to rip out the wall between the main bathroom and where the toilet and the bidet are and unite the space. We are going to remove the bidet and put the vanity in its place, and then there will be a standalone tub. Right now there's a jacuzzi tub, and tubs in Spain are pretty rare. We have yet to see one actually in a showroom or in a big box store or anything. People don't generally put them in, but we will have a standalone tub and then a separate shower and all new tile. And then if we head back upstairs, that is the end of the tour.
So there you go. There's a little tour of our new apartment. So much potential there. I think it's going to be a really amazing space. We're looking forward to working on the bathrooms and the kitchen in the next little bit. I have some tile samples to show you next time. I also can't wait to tell you more about Kubro that are working on our kitchen. And I've so enjoyed working with this company, and so I'm looking forward to telling you more about that process next time. So again, please do subscribe if you'd like to watch this process, and I will take you along with me as we work to create our perfect home in Spain. Talk to you next time. Bye.